Hey third grade math, beach hat day. What do you think? Alright, so today we're going to still compare fractions, but instead of looking at fractions with the same denominator, we're going to look at fractions with the same numerator, or the same top number. So, have your fraction strips out if you have them home, which you should. I have mine ready to go. And let's get started. So, what you're going to do today is compare those fractions with the same numerator. So I'm going to give you an example. We have 5/8 and 5/6. Now, if you don't want to use your fraction strips, I'm going to give you a little hint. Whichever is the smaller denominator, it's going to be the bigger fraction. Why? Because this is fewer pieces, so the pieces are bigger. You can remember, less is more. So 5/8 would be less than 5/6, and I'll show that to you. So you can take out your fraction strips. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fold it back so you have 5/8 showing. Then you can count out your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and fold it back. And then you can line them up. And you can see that 5/6 is greater than 5/8 because the 6 are less pieces, so they're bigger. Less is more. So 5/8 is less than 5/6. Let's try another one. I'm going to go with 2/3 and 2/4. Again, less is more. So the smaller the denominator, the bigger the pieces. So I know that 2/3 is greater than 2/4. Now the whole less is more works when we have the same numerator. So 2/3 is greater than 2/4. So let's try that. Again, I have my fraction strips. So I'm going to count out 1, 2, 2/3, and 1, 2, 2/4. Again, we could see that 2/3 is greater than 2/4. And that's what we were working on today, comparing fractions using the same numerator but different denominators. So definitely use your fraction strips, or you can remember the trick, less is more. Less is more works when we have the same numerator. Okay, so in our Google Classroom today, you have a Google Doc to complete, and you have 2 word problems to do. You know what, let's do 1 word problem together, and then you can complete the one in your Google Classroom. So I'm going to write one really quickly. Okay, there are 2/3 cup, let's go Frosted Flakes. And 2/6 cup cornflakes, boring cornflakes. Which is more? Alright, so there are 2/3 Frosted Flakes and there are 2/6 cornflakes. Which is more? So we're going to compare 2/3 and 2/6. So 2/3 and 2/6. We can remember less is more, so 2/3 is greater than 2/6. Which means there are more Frost Flakes. Yes. So which is more? We're going to write our answer. Frosted Flakes. Yum. So there you have it. So you're going to have 2 word problems to do today. And you have your fraction strips. Remember, less is more. And I'll see you when we in our Google Meet. Bye, guys.